Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you can disable notifications in the Microsoft Edge web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so it works almost the same way as on most other web browsers are there, like Chrome or Brave, Opera, and so on and so forth. Either way you will need to access your browser settings. So to do that on Edge, click into these three dots here, select settings, and from there navigate to privacy search here to the left, and here look for notifications, and set up your notification settings. So if you'd like to receive quiet notification requests, these, for example, according to this description here, will not interrupt you. For example, these notification requests. I haven't tested it myself, this feature, so I can tell you how it exactly works, but you can enable it anytime. If you'd like to turn off these notifications entirely, simply make sure that this feature is turned off, ask before sending, because that is going to block these notifications on Edge entirely for all websites in general you visit. But you can, of course, set up also customized behavior. So as you can see, for demonstration purposes, I added this website here as a custom rule that I don't want to receive any notifications from that website specifically, even while keeping notifications enabled in general. So guys, that's totally up to you. If you'd like to remove the rule, click into these three dots here, select remove or allow. So one of these, I'm going to remove that rule, customize rule, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.